Hi, good afternoon, my dear students. In the previous classes, we discussed about the first chapter. What is the first chapter? Number system. Okay. Then today we discuss about the second chapter, formulas in Excel. You already know that what is Excel, Microsoft Excel. You already studied that in the lower classes. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a software which is used for the calculation purpose. Okay, and it is a continuation of that one, formulas in Excel. What is formula? Formula is an equation used to get the answer. Okay, and in Microsoft Excel, that formula begins with the equal sign. How to identify that the text or formula? Always that in Microsoft Excel, formulas always start with an equal symbol. After the equal symbol, followed by operators, constants, cell reference and functions. What is operators? Plus, minus, star, slash. Plus symbol is used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. The symbols which are used are called operators, and then constants means the number or data which is used for the calculation purpose, which are known as constants, and the cell reference means the address of a cell. A1 means it is the combination of row and column. A1, that means the address of the cell, and functions means the predefined formulas are called functions. For example, when you add one formula, first formula start with an equal symbol, writes a equal, then write 5 plus 10 and click on the enter key. What happens? We get the result in that cell. What is the answer? 15. That is the formula. For next one, after the equal sign, we write the cell reference B1. B1 means the data which is present on the B1 cell is multiplied with the 2. Okay, is it clear?
A formula can be entered in a cell directly or by using the formula bar. To enter a formula in a cell, first select the cell. Then type equal symbol in the formula bar and enter the first number and then add plus symbol, then add the next number and click on the enter key. We get the answer in the selected cell. That is the first method to enter data in the cell using formula bar. And the next step, entering cell reference in formula. It can be entered in a formula in two ways, by typing the cell reference or by clicking in a cell. If you want to add the numbers, first type the values in the cell. First we already get one answer in one cell, and the next cell type another number and also write next number in another one, and after that select a cell. If you want to add the number, these three numbers, then type equal, then select the first cell. That cell address is displayed on the cell. Then click plus symbol. Then select the next number containing cell and adding plus symbol again and select the next number. And we can see that the cell address of that numbers are displayed on the cell. After that, clicking on the enter key, we get the answer. We add 25 plus 25 plus 25, we get the answer 75 in the cell. That is the second method to enter cell reference in the formula. Is it clear? And the next one, entering cell reference by clicking a cell. That is the second method to enter cell reference by clicking a cell. Select one cell and type equal symbol and click on the cell. Again put plus symbol. Again select next cell and again select another cell. And after that you click on the enter key. We get the answer in the selected cell.
Okay students, next one, the precedence of operators. Microsoft Excel allows various operators to do the things. That precedence of operators means the order of evaluation. When in a formula the operators are used, what is the value of evaluation, that is order of evaluation, that is the precedence of operator. First one, exponent means that the precedence is first preference, exponent. That means 5, example 5 exponent 2 means 5 into 5 raised to 5. That 5 raised to 2. That means 5 into 5. What is the result? 25. And the next one, multiplication, that the precedence is 2. And for example, equal 6 into 2 means 6 into 2 means what is the answer? 12. And the next one, division. And the multiplication and division also have the precedence 2. That is the second order. Okay, then 15 divided by 5 is equal to what is the answer? 10. And the next one, addition and subtraction, that also have the third preference. Then precedence, that the which order? That the third, that in the evaluation, that the third order. Addition, example 3 plus 4, what is the answer? 7. And subtraction, we use minus sign. And 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. And the last one, concatenation. Concatenation means combine. To combine. That red, concatenation symbol, and fort, what we get? The answer is red fort. Okay. And then various symbols are used in the formulas of Excel. What is the precedence of operators used in this Excel sheet? Is it clear, students? Okay. Okay students, let us wind up today's class. The remaining part of this chapter will be discussed on the next class. All the students should read the textbook and write the notes in your notebook. Okay.